Introduction. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and most informative health and wellness videos. Today's topic is all about the top 10 benefits of the keto diet. The keto diet has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. This low-carb, high-fat diet has been shown to have a multitude of health benefits. So, let's get started. The first benefit of the keto diet is weight loss. The keto diet forces your body to use fat as its primary fuel source instead of glucose, leading to weight loss. This is because your body burns fat for energy instead of storing it. Increased energy. The second benefit of the keto diet is increased energy. Since your body is burning fat for energy, you'll experience a surge of energy throughout the day. Improved brain function. The third benefit of the keto diet is improved brain function. The keto diet has been shown to improve cognitive function, memory, and focus. Reduced inflammation. The fourth benefit of the keto diet is reduced inflammation. The keto diet has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to a variety of health issues. Lowered blood sugar levels. The fifth benefit of the keto diet is lowered blood sugar levels. Since the keto diet is low in carbs, it can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great option for those with diabetes. Reduced risk of heart disease. The sixth benefit of the keto diet is a reduced risk of heart disease. The keto diet has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels and increase HDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Improved skin health. The seventh benefit of the keto diet is improved skin health. The keto diet can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to clearer skin. Reduced appetite. The eighth benefit of the keto diet is reduced appetite. Since the keto diet is high in fat, it can help you feel fuller,